everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first video in my channel, please consider subscribe and bell button so that you will never miss my any other video. Today's video is about how to download and process the GB Instagram in your Android phone. Let's begin the video, guys. Let's get into the video, guys. See, I don't have any Instagram or GB Instagram. Just check it, guys. I don't have it really. See, I don't have any. I have given a link in description. Just tap on it or click on it. It will be directly redirecting here. In this site, it will be redirecting. See, guys, just download this. See, I have already downloaded, so it's happened faster. It's 39 MB.4. Just install it after downloaded. It's installing. Let's wait for some time. Install. Just open this. See, I'm going to sign. Just log in if you have any accounts already. Just log in with Facebook account. I'm going to type. See, guys, I'm just skipped the login and showing you this is the real Instagram. This is GB Instagram. You can just see, you can find this in normal Instagram. It will be same to same, but it's not Instagram, it's GB Instagram, but you can be follow or anything. There will be more settings. Download themes. You can set everything. See, professional screen, notification screen, home screen, comment screen. You can edit everything in this, guys. Don't forget to comment below if this trick is really working in your Android mobile, and like or dislike my video. Thanks for watching my full video, guys. Thanks.